Jana says we should do vlogging.
I think it's vlog.
They were talking about bicycles because our
Stop looking at me.
pour coffee in this tube here, and then up here you squeeze this and it makes sausages. We have pressers, and then the sausages, there's a hole here, turbines, but we don't eat them, so we push the sausage back in. We don't like sausages. Not much of a sauce. We eat vegetables. In the comment section, no one ever commented about why our bicycles seem to run off of vegetables. So I'm going to address that situation. And then you hit this little switch right up. This switch, you can probably hear it because of our high-end microphone. And it takes the sausage, what was a sausage, and it regenerates through turbines and sorcery. Powerful things that happen.
Things make more sense if you look at the camera.
And what happens here, a lot of people understand. Now, in case things go wrong, we're going to point out major aspects of our bicycles. Music makers, thank you for watching.